Alright guys, today the van needs a much needed speaker upgrade. Those speakers have taken a dookie on me, and we're going to upgrade to these Kicker 5¼ inch 200 watt peak speakers. Won't take long, stand by. I guess I'll show you the opening here. I already tore this, of course. Stop. Call Kicker tech support. They can assist you. Okay. Looks like some instructions, some wires, which I don't think I'm going to use those. Some electrical connectors, some screws. I might use those. Let's take these out. I'm going to flip it over like I would normally. It's easier with one hand. Let's see what they look like. Nice. There we go. It is a 4 ohm DSC 50. 5.25 inch or 130 millimeter coax, 43 DSC 504. Looks pretty well made. I had good reviews on the Amazon, so thought I'd give it a try. Nice little cover there to go with it. Alright, stand by. Alright, I don't know about this Blaupunkt brand, but if it came with it or if this was an aftermarket, but they took a dookie on me. I'll let you hear it for a second, see how it's took a shit. So for this part of the video, my wife wanted credit for this because this is her tool and not mine, and it's just the perfect tool for the job. Check it out. Perfect. All right. Let me play some music to see which part of this is jacked up. Honestly, now that I'm up close and I took the thing apart, I don't hear much rattling, but it's too late. I'm going to replace it anyway. Maybe I'll just hang on to them on the side and mess around with them, see if there's anything actually wrong. But I always hear a rattle at a high bass. So I know this is pretty simple. There's just these wires connected to it right here. One's bigger than the other, so you can't really screw it up. There we go. We'll put that aside. This is supposed to be a direct fit replacement, this Kicker, so I guess we'll see if it even fits. Perfect. Let me connect those connectors. Alright, the lavender went to the bigger one. That's a terribly loose connection. I'm going to clamp that tight. That wasn't tight enough, so let's see if we can give it a little squeezy. I'll do the same to the other one. There we go. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Or is it? There we go. Now it came with new screws. I think I'll use them. She looks like she's gonna fit. My wife would be proud using her screw gun again. I won't tighten them all the way just yet. Back that up. One more. Now I'll send them in. All right, let's see how she sounds. Well, it certainly looks better, and sounds a lot more punchy, a lot more controlled. I think the other one was just maybe getting a little old, and I guess over time it just had a little boop, 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 a little rattle to it. Let me do the other side real quick. Stand by. Also, while I was messing around, I just got this Dickies leather steering wheel cover. I took the center console out because it bothers the crap out of me. Every time we want to jump in the back, I have to step over it. So I got to clean that carpet up real well. And then I guess I'll hang my radios around this center console. Honestly, I think it was an intermittent thing with that one speaker, but I'm just going to replace it. This one doesn't sound too bad, but time for an upgrade. All right, I'm going to try this left-handed. I'm working around the camera. Alright, same thing, the big ones, the lavender. I don't know, maybe it's just time, age. It's a 2004, who knows. I'm going to tighten those up just like the other one. I think these are already pretty tight. All right, let me get the new speaker. All right. Let's go, big one, the lavender here. All right. windy today. This is the way. Okay. Like the Mandalorians, this is the way. Remember, not all the way. Thanks for hanging with me this long, guys. I know it's probably kind of boring, and I'm just showing you upgrades and incremental things that I'm doing with the van. But trust me, it'll be worth it in the end. It's going to be amazing. And number 4. Alright, now we can send them all back. Voila! Let's see how she sounds. Alright guys, that's the latest upgrade. Thanks for hanging with me. On to the next one. Peace.